kasi wala siyang smell. Bakit walang smell yung durian dito sa Thailand? Ayan. Ganda naman yung tables nila. Saan tayo? Oh, in the house. Ayan. Ani. Rambutan. Tara natin kasi. Why it's not soft? What kind of drink is this? Rambutan? Rambutan drinks? Coconut? It's not coconut, it's rambutan. Ha? Bumili kami ng fruits, bumili kami ng mangosteen. At saka, bumili namin dito kasi guys, nakabili kami ng fruits tsaka kainin at saka ito bumili kami ng drinks, purple drink. I don't know kung ano to.
Have water, Mike.
Lemon daw pala. In the car.
I know.
Yeah. And they also have rambutan juice and mangosteen juice. Let's try that. Try natin tong ano. Very sweet. Sarap guys. I want to try the mangosteen. Sarap. I really want mangosteen. One more mangosteen. Ay, parang ano siya. Hindi siya maganda. Sarap. Try natin to. Try natin to. Sinabi nila, this is Manaw. Manaw is lemon. So, it's butterfly lemon. Very sweet. Ano to? Ako gusto. Hindi ko nagustuhan. Guys, malapit ko na maubos ito. Yung dalawa wala pa. Yung dalawa wala pa. Sarap. Pero guys, I don't like this drink. It tastes weird. And they said it's lemon. It's so sweet. I didn't like it. Parang nasa Philippines lang kami. Ayoko. Talaga?
Oo, gusto mo sino ka niya. Vlog. Pa.
Sige.
Sayang, arit na tat. Now you try my somtam.
Yummy. Pet my.
Wah. Wah, nakikita.
Guys, this is Somtam in Thailand. And we'll try. Very spicy. Very spicy. Uy, alay na.
Eat a lot, eat a lot.
Eat a lot. No.
Start.
Welcome to my cooking show. Let's make somtam here, the famous food in Thailand. So now, first we're gonna put some this. What do you call this?
Papaya.
I want some spoon. Because I did not wash. Papaya only a little. Like this much.
Ay, chili ko na. Chili muna.
Ay!
Buta mo dito, guys.
Sorry. See? I don't really know. So, they said that it's not papaya first. Let's put manaw first. Manaw, right?
Chili.
Chili. Taulay. How many?
Depends.
Only two.
Okay.
Only two. Because that's a lot.
You have, okay. And then garlic there.
You put this and do like that. Crush it. Crush it as you like. And then
Garlic.
garlic. All of this. Do I need to peel it?
No. Just put it
Only
there
one?
and then smash
Only
it.
one? And then garlic and then smash it. Kanang pag-alit ka sa ayab mo, sa asawa mo, dito gawin mo somtam. Ganyan. And then you put lemon. This is called manaw.
Lito lang ha.
Aray ko.
Be careful.
And then crush it again. What else? This one. This is called kamatis. You do like that. Takot. Isa lang. Yan. And then this is now the time to put this one over here. Ayan. And then ganyan mo para yung lahat ng mga ano ay pupunta sa papaya. Aloy! Yehey! Aloy ma! What else to put? You put
Sugar.
this
Sugar.
is patis, fish sauce, a little only because, and then that was a very little. Put sugar, a little bit of sugar because there's only a little bit. Ayan. Ayan. And fish. This one, fish. Fish? Do I need to put fish? No, I don't want.
This one is fish. Para. This one. Tadi pun tua. Tadi olive.
This one.
Look at it.
Oh my god! No. And then your somtam is ready. Where's that? Yeah. So you put your somtam here.
Maya a bit.
Yay!
Good for single.
Good for one. And your somtam is ready. Let's go eat.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to taste the somtam I made. Because there was only a little bit of salt. It's sour. It's sour. This one is not sour.
But
Only. See, this one Popsy made this.
you put a lot of lemon. Oh.
I mean, it's not spicy. Oh, it's not sour.
But
But this one is very sour. Uy. Okay. Nag-stop over kami dito guys kasi kakain kami ng durian kasi doon kanina sa pinuntahan namin hindi kami nakakain ng durian. So ayan, si Popsy that's a slice. So we're gonna go open ng durian. Ayan. Mutla. Go Popsy! Punta kami doon sa ano, sa gitna talaga ng ano kasi doon kami kakain. Dito kami kakain. Ayan yung mga ano, durian trees. Ayan, durian trees. Dito kami kakain. Ayan, wow. Look at this durian.
Kamiเลยโอ้ไม่ธรรมชาติ
Look at this durian. Big durians. They put
เดี๋ยว
to protect it
you start
from falling.
my camera
From falling.
พี่ป๊อปอยู่นั่ง
Look
ตรง
at
นั้นก่อน
this.
สอง start from there
Yes.
เขาทำอะไร
Ayan. Yung iba dyan, meron talagang taga-video. Ayan. Gusto ko paglaki ko meron akong durian plantation. Ayan. Dami pala nila kahit ilang trees kaya ito dito. Ayan. Gusto niyo makita yung durian. Ayan yung durian.
ayจะดูตรงนู้นใช่ไหม Yes, we've got the fruit, the durian fruit, and this is the Pukafai durian here in Sisagan province in Cantaralak district, and it's time for us to eat this.
I'm waiting for Popsy to open the durian. Look at him, he's having a hard time. Ta-da! Look at him, he's a farm boy. Go Popsy! Faster! Hurry up! Hurry up! I'm so hungry, hurry up!
Oh, ini di kuah. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try this one.
Taste, taste. It's not smelly.
It's not smelly.
It's not smelly.
Let's try if it tastes good.
Does it taste good?
Sweet.
Sweet,
Mm.
yummy, and creamy.
It's yummy, yes.
Sweet, yummy, and creamy. That's it. Popsy
But
said.
it's not
Right.
mushy like the creamy.
Yeah, because
the
it's
sauce.
not too ripe. Because it's not ripe. This is what they.
But it tastes good, really.
Can I have?
Sure.
He gave me, so let's try it. This one is not too ripe. No smell at all. It's not durian because this durian should smell something, but this one doesn't smell.
I don't know why they call this Pukafai. It means volcano in English, but I'm not really sure if it's.
คือเมื่อก่อนเนี่ยแถวนี้มันจะเป็นพื้นที่
Yeah,
เป็น
it is
ภูเขา
sweet.
ไฟแล้วก็แถวนี้ก็จะเป็นพื้นที่ของลาวาเดิม
Lava.
ก็มันอร่อย
So,
ดี
okay, volcano durian. It's not smelly. There's no smell. This is a weird durian.
Inside. This one is inside. It's quite soft, softer than.
แกะเลยแกะให้หมดเลย
อุ้ยไม่เอาละแกไม่เป็น
It is sweet. It's not too ripe. This is how they like it in Thailand, right? Few. This is how Thailand likes it. Not too ripe. It's just enough. Not. Yummy.
เนาะ
Mm.
อร่อยมัน different นะมันไม่เหมือนกันกับ
In Philippines, smell.
มัน smell มาก อันนี้มันไม่เหม็นนะ
In Philippines smells really bad. But I like that smell because I'm used to it. But if you're not used to that smell, to the durian smell, you should try this volcano durian. You should try this volcano durian because there's no smell.
and the taste is not bad compared.
When you eat it as well, there's no aftertaste, there's no smell when you eat it. So, good. Bakit kayo walang amoy yung durian nila, no? A for effort. A for effort. Go, Popsy. They put it a protection to this durian so that it won't fall before it is ready for harvest. So this durian here, this durian has no smell. I like this one. I want to plant this in Philippines. Kasi wala siyang smell. Bakit walang smell yung durian dito sa Thailand? Ayan. At saka, yun nga guys. Ang gusto dito sa Thailand, gusto ng gusto nila, kakainin yung durian na hindi pa masyadong hinog. Hindi pa masyadong hinog. Yung parang may crunch-crunch ka pa na mafe-feel. Whereas kung sa atin, gusto talaga natin yung durian na creamy, hinog na talaga, yung very soft na. Pero dito, hindi na sila kumakain yan. Kaya kapag kapag ripe na yung yung soft na talaga yung durian, na bumababa na ang presyo nun kasi ayaw ng mga Thai nun. Kaya ayun, so this is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you and everyone, and see you on my next vlog. And thank you so much support. Naka 4,000 watch hours na tayo. Yay! Thank you. Mwah!